Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Zeke again. Finna do a video. This is for my cousin Mimi. Since you asked me how to make tea cakes, so I'm gonna show you this video how to do tea cakes. Haven't made them in a while. Well, I don't think I made them since I've been blind. I don't think. So you know we don't measure. So I had to call Mama to get this phone. I had to call Mama to to get the measurements because we just make them. So I'm gonna call it out and I'm gonna do it. It's about 11 o'clock tonight, so I can't sleep. So I said, well, I make you these tea cakes. We should come get them, so I won't have to eat them up. So for to start off, hope I got the thing in the bowl. That's 2 sticks of butter. 2 sticks of butter. 2 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna add let's see, I'm trying to work with one hand. So what did I do with it? 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of shortening. Okay, 1 tablespoon of shortening. 2 sticks of butter, and I'm about to. When I mix that, I'm gonna cream this together. So I'm going to do this video in parts and put it together. Alright, let me cream this up right quick. Got the butter and shortening cream. Now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of sugar. Hold up, I got this phone everywhere. Whee. I know this, this don't look right. Okay, 2.5 cups of sugar. 2.5 cups of sugar. And I gotta get me another tripod. Okay, 2.5 cups of sugar, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. Alright. Just give me a general idea how to do it. So that's 2.5 cups of sugar. 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs. That's 2 sticks of butter, and a tablespoon of shortening so far. Okay, let me beat this up, and I'll be back. All right, got that creamed up. Hope I'm in the bowl. Now, gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk, and I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Should be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I just pour. That should be enough. Some stuff you ain't gotta measure. So I'm gonna mix up this buttermilk and this extract. All right. My weight is all mixed up. Now it's time for the dry. Let me get over here. Okay. In this bowl here, y'all, and my cousin Mimi, I have 3 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour, and in them 3 cups of flour, I'm gonna add let's see, I'm gonna add what I'm gonna add? Oh, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So I pre-measured everything, y'all. That's what's best for me. All right. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'm going to use, even though my mama told me a teaspoon of nutmeg, but I always do a tablespoon. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of nutmeg. I'm sorry. Gotta put that in there, y'all. That's what put that good flavor in there. Okay. Yeah, good. And get me a spoon right quick. And get my spoon. I'm just gonna mix all this up. I'll be back to mix the dry with the wet. Okay. Hold my camera right. Let's add the dry to the wet. Y'all see me? Hold my beard. If y'all see some gray in my beard, that's not gray, that's flour. All right. Let me put a little. Put some dry here. Put a little in there. And do it like in 2 batches. That much. me start mixing. Let me start mixing. My mama taught me well. I'm the baking kid. Be quiet, girls. That's just me. There's nobody knocking at the door. Zoe, Skylar, look at that. It's getting thick. It's coming together. Stop this right quick and put the rest in. They don't like no. They think everybody knocking at the door. All mixed up. There go my tea cake batter right there. Now I'm gonna put some flour on the surface and work it kind of like a biscuit. Cause tea cakes is like a mixture between a cookie, a cake, and a biscuit. That's what I think. All right, flour surface. So I'm about to do this tea cake dough. Okay, here we go. There go my tea cake dough. I done kneaded it, and let me tell you something. If you don't like kneading dough, this is not the this is not the project for yourself. So there go the dough. See there, it's soft and everything. And I'm going to take, Mama don't do this, but I'm going to take mine and put it in the refrigerator for a little while to let it firm up. And then I'm going to roll it out. I'm either going to roll it out and use a cookie cutter, or I'm going to roll it in little balls and flatten it with my hand. And here we go. For to put it in the bowl right here. And y'all see the next step. All right, Mimi, for you, baby. Ooh. That's why Mama usually do this and not me. Bye. Out the fridge. Yeah. Let's see what we got here, y'all. And my cousin Mimi. There we go. It's good and firm. That's it. That's it. And put my phone right here. Yeah, you know me. Get out with OPP. Yeah, you know me. It's back in my days in the 90s. Hope I'm on. All right. I'm not gonna roll it out like you do biscuit dough. I'm about to take my hands and get a piece like this. My hands all clean. I washed them. Yeah. I'm gonna make my own. Okay. It feel like Play-Doh. Like a perfect little circle. And I got parchment paper here. Parchment paper right there. Got one there. Hand. Make them a little thick. Tea cakes, Lord have mercy. I guess you eat them with tea and coffee. I never knew why they got the name of that. Alright, I ain't gonna show this whole process. So, put them on the pan. Go, y'all. I done formed them, I done shaped them. And they're about to go in the oven. I got the oven preheated at 350, and I think about 15 minutes. If not, I'll let y'all know what I adjust the what I pretty much adjust the time to. See, my mama taught me well, baby. Merle don't play, and I don't either. All right, let me bake them so I can show y'all what they look like, what they taste like, and then I'm going to bed. So y'all, just got them out the oven. 15 minutes. There they go. There they go. They still hot. And it's so much so much. I haven't recorded something in so long. I'm forgetting how to look at this camera. But there go my tea cakes. Now, let's do a taste test. Let's see here. Put the camera right there. They still hot. I guess that's good right there. That's gonna be good. Ooh, let me pick one. Woo. Woo. Ooh, they smell good. That's good. That my mama. That my mama tea cakes. Like Mark was saying, that my mama biscuit. That my mama biscuits. We're hot, y'all. But there you go. Maybe I will. It's good. I'll tag this video to you. And you also my buddy Tony in Atlanta. So I don't have to mail them to you now. You can make your own. Good night, y'all. I'm going to bed. I'm getting sleepy. Bye.